Tia? Does I want to see the moonrise? Watch the ending of the day. I have been working oh so very hard to move the stars into a beautiful array. I've just been kind of lonely these past few years, and no pony seems to care. But does I want to see the moonrise? And we can hang out till the sunrise. Not tonight, Luna. Okay, bye. Tia? Does not want to see the moonrise? I want to show you, come with me. Orion stars are out and shining bright. Oh, it's such a glorious night. Oh, won't you come and see? It's just no one seems to notice all the things I do. I feel like I'm going mad. Does I want to see the moonrise? Or you can sit and do nothing. Why does no pony seem to care? No one cares. I know they'll pay. All of them will. All of them will pay. No matter what, all of them will pay. The night will last forever. And you know what, Tia? You know what? There can only be one princess in Equestria, and that princess will be me. I'm sorry, Luna, but I have no choice. No! Oh, Luna. Oh, sister, will you forgive me? Did it have to end like this? If only I had been there with you, like I ought have to. I was remiss, so distracted by my duties. Now I'm all alone. I wish I could have been there too. Does that wanna see the moonrise?